Hi, and welcome to this quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5. So extra width box, as you can see, with the PS5 nestled in on one side and the Force Game Buy inside the protective filling. And there's about a mile of it. Thankfully it's made out of recycled film. Now the PS5 box itself. Standard fare product packaging design with product and controller imagery. Key video buzzwords in the top right corner. 4K at 120 frames, HDR and even 8K. Consumer level descriptions of how fast it is, greater immersion, and backwards compatibility. Also comes with 825GB SSD drive, which shortly adds to the great read and load times for this bad boy. Within the box is another box. The PS5 is packaged between molded pulp inserts, which is again great for the environment, however not sure how effective it would be for absorbing any shocks or dampening bumps. Now set against a blank background, this surely looks somewhat sleek. The height minus the base is 39 centimeters, 26 centimeters across the side, and 9 centimeters across the shorter side. From the back it has a weird alien structure building type relief, and from the front the form overall is reminiscent of some concept art for a new super tall skyscraper, to be honest. Definitely not a fan, not sure why they chose this, would not fit in anywhere, and it's a hulking piece of tech. In fairness, I have seen the fully digital version of this online, which is sleeker as it doesn't have the disk drive. Now for the ports. On the front we have a Type-C port and a Type-A high-speed USB port, power and disk eject buttons, and the disk drive itself. On the back there's the power connector, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet connector, and two more Type-A high-speed USB ports. These two allow external storage such as hard drives and SSDs to be connected, whereas the front one can't. In the little accompanying box is a multi-language general equipment information booklet, quick start user guide showing how to set up the base, connect cables, controller, and start the device. It also gives a quick overview of the home screen and control panel, which is always handy in today's modern world to figure it out yourself. The base, which will allow you to position the device either horizontally or vertically. And right underneath that is the HDMI cable. Next up is everyone's favorite kettle lead with a 3-pin plug. Next up is the controller, which I'd been hearing so much about. The black tone part looks modeled and gaudy, and at a glance there's nothing remarkable about it. The bottom has a 3.5mm audio jack and contacts for charging through a dock. Right above that is the microphone, mute button, and home button. It has the typical digital buttons along with analog sticks, as well as the start and option buttons, which are hard to spot on the white-on-white scheme. And in case you didn't realize, the white blank space in the middle is a touchpad, and along the front are the left and right shoulder buttons as well. And finally, the USB charging cable for the controller. So that about does it for this quick unboxing. I'm hoping to do an impressions video after having used it for a while, so until then, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Bye for now.